All right, thank you so much, Sam. The fate of the popular app TikTok in this country is in the hands of the U.S. Supreme Court just days before a nationwide ban is set to take effect.
That date's January 19th. It's this coming Sunday, just one day before President-elect Donald Trump is sworn right back into the White House. Isaiah Kim Martinez is talking to Kentuckians here locally who rely on TikTok for their business, plus a cybersecurity expert. And Isaiah, realistically, is the app in danger of going away?
Well, Doug, Connie, if the Supreme Court upholds the law, you can certainly make that argument. It sure appears that way. The app won't disappear from phones, but new users wouldn't be able to get it, and software updates would come to a screeching halt, effectively making the app unusable over time.
Good morning, guys. It is 7 a.m. I am in Florence, Kentucky, and I'm about to do wedding makeup. Let's go.
The wedding makeup service Fiorello Beauty, based in the Louisville area, has taken off in the last few years, now reaching more than 100,000 eyes on TikTok.
That's probably like 90% of my business, where I've gotten my business from.
Is TikTok?
Yes, from TikTok, 100%.
Kentuckian Claudia Fiorello, like many social media content creators, is keeping a close eye on Washington, D.C. this week.
Crossing my fingers, and I hope it doesn't get banned.
The U.S. Supreme Court is set to rule on the bipartisan law outlawing the popular app if its Chinese parent company ByteDance doesn't sell by January 19th. ByteDance challenged the ban, saying it violates the free speech of the app's more than 100 million U.S. users.
I still use like Instagram and Facebook as well, but TikTok, you can get people from like everywhere on there. You have like a bigger opportunity to go viral versus the other apps.
Early reports suggest the justices will uphold the ban, meaning Google and Apple app stores could stop offering software updates for TikTok, leaving it to die a slow death.
Any type of software controlled by a foreign entity could present a number of problems.
U of L professor Roman Yampolsky, an expert on AI and cybersecurity, says the concerns over Chinese access to Americans' private information are legitimate.
It allows you to collect a lot of private data, including even messages between users, and it allows you to manipulate public opinion before elections.
TikTok plays a big role in promotion for self-made business owners like Fiorello.
Or if they move to another app, I'll probably move to that as well.
Who's keeping her other options open as the future of the app remains uncertain.
Guys, the wild card here remains President-elect Donald Trump, who's trying to negotiate a way, of course, to keep TikTok online. He has options here. On day one, when he returns to office, he could technically instruct the Justice Department not to enforce these laws. Of course, the companies, that's a tall task. He could also urge Congress to pass a law to reverse this ban, but that could take broad support and some time.
And so I noticed that there are folks jumping onto a new app that could be more dangerous.
That app is actually run by the Chinese government. So you want to talk about experts seeing severity of danger. That would potentially be one up when it comes to what we're currently dealing with. And it seems like there are users who are angry about the situation and are telling the United States, all right, fine, well, we'll go to something different then.
All right.
Thanks,
Thank you very much.